Smile. Come on, let's have a smile. Can you smile at your sister? She's right there. She's smiling at you.
Oh, that is great.
That's not a smile. Bless you. How about a smile? Smile at your sister, she's right there.
Nicolas, tu peux lui montrer comment on sourit?
Yeah, that's pretty close there. Good one. Good smile. He's got it figured out. He's learning from Nicolas. Smile at Nicolas. Look. That's how you smile. That's how you smile. That's right. That's right. Very good. That's how you smile, huh? Or is that to make Julien smile? And the tongue, too.
Ça a l'air de marcher.